Good morning students, I am Pooja Asari, your maths teacher. So today I am start chapter first, integers. So firstly what is the integers? We have to discuss about the integers. So let's see introductions. We have learned about the whole numbers and integers in class 6. That means we already know about what is the integers. So you can see integers are bigger collection of numbers which contain whole numbers and negative numbers. That means in integers we are also include a whole numbers and negative numbers. Okay, so you can see the definition of integers. Integers are bigger collection of numbers which contain whole number and negative numbers. That means you know very well what is a whole numbers. Whole numbers are started from 0 to 1, 2, 3 and infinite. And also negative number, that means when we write -1, -2, that are a negative numbers. You can see integers on a number line. So we have to write in 0 on a middle point, and 0 is neither positive nor negative. And positive integers, we can write the positive integers on right hand side, and the negative integers we have to write in left hand side. Positive integers show by plus symbol sign, and the negative integers denoted by negative, that means minus sign. In addition, we can use integers like when we add two positive number, that time answer is also positive. Like when we add +2 +3, that time answer is also 5. When we add one positive and one negative integers, so taken their difference and one place the sign of bigger integer. That means when we add one plus integers and one negative integers, positive and one negative, that time we have to put the symbol of bigger integer. That means +3 and +5. When we add +3 and +5, so -5 and +3. So which number is bigger? 5 is bigger. So 3 minus 5 is subtract. Firstly we have to take a difference. That means 5 minus 3 is 2. And we have to put the symbol of sign of minus, because here are the symbol of minus. That's why the answer is -2. And when we add 5 minus 3, that means 5 is positive and -3 is negative. So the answer is also positive. According to this, because positive integers is 5 and 5 is bigger than -3. And when we add two negative integers, so answer is negative. We can see -3 and -5. So minus and minus is plus, but we have to put the sign of minus. We have to add, but we have to put the sign of negative. In a multiplication, when we multiply two negative integers, so the answer is positive. Like when I have to multiply -2 multiply -3. So 2 3s are 6, but minus and minus is plus in the multiplication. And in a multiplication, minus plus is minus. When we multiply -2 into +3, so the answer is -6. That means the answer is negative. Okay students, so now I have start exercise 1.1. Okay, so the first question is flowing numbers line. Show the temperature in degrees Celsius at a different place a particular day. You can see here are representing a number line, and this number line show a temperature of different places. Okay, so first question is observe this number line and write the temperature of the place mark on it. That means here are some right temperatures and also mark the place. You can see, okay, 5. So on the number line 5, positive Shimla, okay, and 0, after that -1, -2. So -2 is temperature of Srinagar. Okay, after that here are -5. That means this one is -6, -7 and -8. So the -8 temperature is Lahul Spiti, and Ooty, that means 15, and this one is, okay. So here are going by positive integers and these are negative. 5, 10, that means this one 11, 12, 13 and 14. So 14 degrees centigrade, yes, Celsius is the temperature of Ooty. So according to the first question, observe this temperature line and write the temperature of the place mark on it. So let's see the answer. So answer of the first question is the temperature of the place mark on it. So Bangalore temperature is 22 degree centigrade Celsius. OT temperature is 14 degree Celsius. Shimla is 5 degree. And temperature Srinagar -2, that means this one is negative temperature. And last one is Lahul Spiti -8 degree centigrade. That is Celsius. Next question is question number 2. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place among the above? Difference, that means minus. Okay, hottest and coldest. So when the temperature is positive, so the temperature is hottest. Okay, and when the temperature is cold, that means temperature is negative. Okay, so the answer would be the temperature of hottest place, that means we can see on number line 22 degrees Celsius, and the temperature of the coldest place, that means Lahul Spiti -8 degree Celsius. Okay, and difference, that means 22 degree minus and -8 degree Celsius. So we can see here 22 degree Celsius. Okay, and difference, that means minus, so I have to put here minus and -8 degree Celsius, and we can also put here Celsius. So 22 degree Celsius as it is, this minus and minus is plus 8 degree Celsius. 22 and 8 is 30 degree Celsius. So our answer is 30 degree Celsius. Next is, what is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? Okay, so we can see here the temperature of Srinagar is -2 degree and the temperature of Lahul Spiti is -8 degree Celsius. Okay, and we have to find the difference. Let's see, temperature of -2 degree Celsius and difference, that means minus, and here are -8 degree Celsius. This -2 degree Celsius as it is, this minus and minus is plus 8 degree Celsius. That means one positive and one negative. So difference 8 minus 2 is 6 degree, and we have to put the sign of positive integers because the bigger number is 8. So answer is 6 degree Celsius. Next question number D. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? It also less than the temperature at Srinagar. Let's see. Okay, so the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla together, that means we have to add this number. So 5 degree plus 2 degree. So plus minus minus. So 5 minus 2 is 3 degree centigrade. So when we together Srinagar and Shimla temperature 3 degree Celsius. The temperature of Shimla 5 degree. Therefore 3 degree is less than to 5 degree Celsius. The temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than temperature at Shimla because temperature of Srinagar -2. Therefore 3 degree Celsius is greater than to -2. So the answer is no, it is not less than the temperature at Srinagar. Now the next question, question number 2. In a quiz, positive marks are given for a correct answer and negative marks are given for an incorrect answer. That means when the answer is correct, we have to give a positive marks, and when the answer is incorrect, we have to give negative marks. If Jake's score in a 5 successive round where 25, -5, -10, -15 and 10, what was his total at the end? That means we have to add these all numbers. Okay, let's see the solution. Jake's score in a 5 successive round are 25, -5, -10, 15 and 10. So total marks got by Jake 25. After that 8, that means we have to put here the place of comma, we have to put the symbol of plus. -5, -10, plus 15 and plus 10. Okay, now this 25 as it is, this -5 and this -10. So minus and minus is plus, but symbol is minus. So 10 -10 and -5 is -15, and after that we have to add this 15 and 10, 25. Okay, so 25 and 15, when we subtract this number, 25 and 15 is 10 plus this 25. After that when we add those, so the answer is 35. Thus 35 marks are got by Jake in a quiz. Okay, so the now next question, question number 3. Its Srinagar temperature was -5 degrees centigrade on a Monday, and then it dropped by 22 degrees centigrade on Tuesday. Drop, that means the temperature is decreased. What was the temperature on Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees centigrade. Rose, that means the temperature increased 4 degree. What was the temperature on this day? So let's see. On Monday, temperature at Srinagar minus 5 degrees Celsius. On Tuesday, temperature dropped 2 degrees Celsius. Drop, that means decrease. So temperature on Tuesday is minus 5 degrees Celsius. After that drop, that means decrease, that means minus 2 degree. That means minus and minus is plus. So 5 into 7, but we have to put the symbol of minus. So minus 7 degrees Celsius. Next day, on Tuesday, temperature rose up 4 degree. That means firstly the temperature on 7 degrees Celsius. Okay. After that temperature is rose. Rose, that means increase. So we have to add 4 degree. So 1 plus and 1 minus is, we have to do subtract. So 7 minus 4 is 3. But according to bigger digit 7, the symbol is negative. So we have to put here minus. So minus 3. So the answer is, thus temperature on Tuesday and Wednesday was minus 7 degrees Celsius and minus 3